How many times have you told yourself, tomorrow is the day? Tomorrow I finally fix my life. You set the alarm for 5 a.m., imagining hours of deep study and a perfect morning. But then tomorrow comes, and you're back to the snooze, scroll, regret cycle. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not lazy, you just lack a system. In this video, I'm not going to give you a crazy 18-hour study schedule that leads to burnout. Instead, we're building a balanced, realistic routine that actually works. Stick with me until the end, because I'm sharing the psychology of habits that will help you beat procrastination for good. Think of your brain like a smartphone. Without a charger and proper updates, it becomes a brick. Your routine is your operating system. Discipline beats motivation every single time. You won't always feel like studying, but a well-designed day will carry you through when your willpower fails. The wake up. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. to be successful. 5:30 to 7 a.m. is the sweet spot. It's quiet and there are no notifications. Rule number 1, do not touch your phone. Checking social media first thing is like inviting 50 strangers into your bedroom before you've even brushed your teeth. The spark. Open your window. Let natural light hit your eyes. Drink a glass of water. Spend 5 minutes moving. Stretch, do a few push-ups or some yoga. Think of it as turning on the Wi-Fi for your brain. The fuel. Don't skip breakfast. Your brain burns glucose when you study. Keep it simple. Eggs, oats, or fruit. And stay hydrated. Most tiredness is actually just dehydration in disguise. Your brain is sharpest in the morning. Don't waste this golden hour on easy tasks. Tackle your hardest subject first, whether it's physics, math, or coding. Use the Pomodoro technique. 50 minutes of deep focus, 10 minutes of rest. During those 10 minutes, move away from your desk. No screens. Active learning. In class, don't just be a stenographer. Write notes in your own words. After a lecture, spend 3 minutes summarizing what you learned. This active recall saves you hours of revision later. The power nap. After lunch, your energy naturally dips. Avoid heavy, oily meals that cause a food coma. Instead, take a 20-minute power nap or a short walk. This hits the reset button on your focus. The slump. Use the afternoon for low-energy tasks, practice problems, organizing files, or creative projects. Don't fight the slump. Work with it. Burnout happens when you forget you're a human, not a machine. Get outside, play a sport, go for a run, or dance. Movement flushes out stress. Follow this with creative time. Hobbies aren't a waste of time. They keep your brain flexible and happy. The 3-task rule. Spend 5 minutes planning tomorrow. Write down exactly 3 things you must finish. This stops your brain from worrying all night. Digital sunset. 30 minutes before bed, put the phone away. The blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's noon. Read a physical book or listen to a podcast instead. The save button. Never sacrifice sleep for study. Sleep is the save button for your memory. If you don't sleep, you're literally deleting what you learned today. Consistency beats intensity. It's better to study for 4 hours every day than 12 hours once a week. If you fail today, start again tomorrow. That is how champions are made. If this routine helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more student success guides. Comment below, what's the one habit you're starting tomorrow?